So let's make something quick and fun today, shall we? Today we're making pizza windmills. These make a great party appetizer. The kids love them. They're quick and easy to make, and the best part is the pizza dough requires no proving time because no yeast is added. That means you don't have to wait for the dough to rise. 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl. To this we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's what eliminates the need for yeast in this recipe. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1/3 cup of water. Mix this together till it starts to form together like a dough. Now we're going to knead this gently with your hands for about 5 minutes till you get a nice soft ball of dough. Now this doesn't need to rise, but I'm just going to cover the dough with a damp paper towel till I get all of my other ingredients ready. We're also going to preheat the oven to 200 degrees centigrade at this stage. On a lightly floured surface, we're going to roll out this prepared dough into a large rectangle. You need to be able to cut out about 8 squares, 7.5 to 8 inches in length, and this is roughly about the size of a cheese slice. So I just rolled out the first set of squares, then scraped my dough and rolled it again, and then I'm cutting the next batch here. So I got 8 squares, lay them on the floured surface, and then this is how we're going to make our windmills. Using a small sharp knife or a cutter, we're going to make slits of 0.5 centimeters length from the center to all 4 corners. Make sure you haven't cut the center of the square sheets. Now we're going to apply just about 1/4 teaspoon's worth of marinara sauce or your favorite pizza sauce to each triangular section, being very careful not to apply any of the sauce on the center. Now we're going to fold over every other corner towards the center. So bring one corner to the center and skip one corner, and then bring another corner to the center and skip one corner. And do this and secure the dough by gently pressing in the center. And this way we have our windmill shape. So we're just going to repeat this with all 8 pieces. And it is easier if you do this on your baking tray lined with parchment paper to begin with. For the pizza topping, you can use practically anything you like. I'm using pepperoni along with some pizza cheese that's been grated. So just put 1 piece of pepperoni on the center and make small balls using the grated cheese and then put that on top. Instead of pepperoni, you can use cooked chicken, or for vegetarian version you can use bell peppers, onion, olives, and mushroom, anything you like. Just place the ball of cheese on top so that when it melts, it keeps the toppings from falling off. I'm going to pop these into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes just till that crust is cooked. Leave them on the hot tray and the crust will firm up a little bit more later. And then while the cheese is still hot, you just want to sprinkle a little bit of oregano. And then we're using bamboo skewers. I'm just going to insert them on one side so that when you hold them up, they resemble the windmills. The crust has a biscuit flavor and texture, and it's thin and not chewy and bread-like pizza crust that is usual. You may find that children are partial to this crust. So do let me know in the comments below what you think about this recipe. Try out the recipe and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye!